Hi there. I just wanted to show you a trick I use to quickly and easily get rid of tint that might be affecting an image when I use Photoshop. A lot of times you'll get a picture or something and it'll have this odd tint to it, and you're like, well, I wish I could get rid of that tint. Well, this is a way that I do it. It doesn't work all the time, but usually it does a pretty good job at doing what you need to do. Now with this picture, there's kind of a bluish purple tint. It's a combination of the blue, I think, and the red. But I'm going to use this little trick and try to get rid of some of that purplish tint to it. So what I'll do is I'll take the background and drag it down to this new layer and get a new copy of this layer. Then I will run over here to where filters are, go down to the blur, and choose average. And there you go, a nice purple average, this average of all the colors all in one big filled layer. With this average level, we can go ahead and add an adjustment layer for levels. And of course it doesn't do anything because we haven't set any levels yet. But if you come over to the properties of that adjustment layer, we'll see these little droppers, these little things that depict colors. And this one is for picking blacks, the black point. This one's for picking white points. And this one's for picking to set a gray point. And there's many uses. There's other tutorials all over YouTube on how to use a levels filter. What I'll do is I'll select the middle one for setting the gray point, and I'll select this purple image, and I'll turn it gray. Now we can see that it's just the level is affecting this purple thing, so we won't worry too much about that. But if we get rid of that background copy layer, we'll see that it's gotten rid of a lot of that purple. So we can do that again with a different image. I'll just get rid of this one. And say, for example, we have this image here. It has a lot of a red or kind of a red tint. So let's do it again. We'll make a copy of the background image, or whatever image you want to get rid of the tint. We'll go up to our filter and we'll blur, average it, get a nice little color. Now note, if the color is really close to gray, it's probably not going to do too much. But if it's away from gray like this one and the last one was, it's probably going to do a pretty good job. We'll do our adjustment level for layer for levels. We'll select the set gray point in the properties. We will click on that, and then when we turn off this level, boom. Then we can see how much of a difference that's made. It's kind of muted the red a bit and almost made it more of a pastel type thing, but this is more of a brilliant red. And like I said, this doesn't work all the time, but if you're in a hurry and you need to get rid of a tint real quick, try it out, see if you like it, and good luck.